Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you a tutorial for beginner on Zepto e-commerce. So as you can see here, we have the Zepto Product Personalizer, a product of Zepto apps. So as you can see, you can input productpersonalizer.com on your browser and you will be directed here. So Zepto Product Personalizer is exclusive for Shopify app for live preview with unlimited customization options and more. Here you have a live demo. You can view their live demo by clicking it. But now we'll go back on that, and as you can see, it is a Shopify service, or it is partnered with Shopify. Now for its key highlights, it has a live preview. It allows your customer to see a live preview of the final product directly in your store. Next is the best customer experience. Let your customer have the best buying experience, gaining trust, and simplify custom orders. Lastly, you'll get access on unlimited customization. Add unlimited customization options. Use powerful and easy-to-use interface to build your products. So as you can see here, there is a ultimate customization. So here is the preview. When your customers can see a live preview of their personalization, they feel better about the buying experience and trust you and your store more. We also have a product option input types. You can have a regular text, monogram, custom font, coloring text, image upload, image swatch, color swatch, and option list. Here is the preview. As you can see here, here's the text color, monogram style, the color swatch. You also have a conditional logic. Conditional logic creates dependencies of different kinds based on the type of product you are selling. So here's the preview. We have the engraved button necklace. It creates products with a wide range of variants, which will be available depending on the customer's initial choice. Next, we have the additional charge. You can see the preview here. You can set a price per option and charge customer additional costs. It can increase revenue with per option pricing. Or next is the suitable fit style or suitable field style. It is fully responsive that optimized on tablet and mobile browser. No redirection from product page. You can also set inline personalization button or pop-up window or direct field with your product form. Now for the pricing. For starter, it is $9.99. You can go up to 50 personalizable products. On basic, you have 200 personalizable products. On moderate, you have 500. And on unlimited, you have unlimited personalizable products. Now, if you want to try it, you can start a free trial. Now, let's go to the View Live Demo. And as you can see here, here is the live demo. Let's click on this one. This is the one that is on the last option. So if you want to check this out, simply go to their live demo and that's basically it.